Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable cotton program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to pick the cotton program. It's located right here. Then you'll be able to set a different temperature. You can see the temperature changing right here on the top side of our interface. Then there's the spin rate. Also, you can switch between different options. There's a time manager. You'll be able to change the time, how long it takes to actually finish the program. Then there's those 4 buttons, and the first one is a pre-wash that we can activate or deactivate. We can delay the time, and this will start the washing process when the exact time is reached. So for example, I set it to 8 hours. After clicking on start, our washing process should begin after 8 hours. Then we can enable or disable easier ironing and extra rinse. When you're ready, click on the start and the program should begin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.